Nigeria. Even if this country no straight like this country bend, all of us go bend, they move. Since I was born till today, nobody don't rule Nigeria will be better president. Even if they bring two Jesus to rule this country, no be better president.
Want to wear this time, Port Harcourt now the first place person carry fake 1,000 go make change. Who give and check, give and two fake 500. Because that's who cheat each other. Now for this Port Harcourt, they go put learner for motor, but the car they carry along. Port Harcourt go shock you. This town. Port Harcourt one person hold 1,000 naira note, then thief 700. The guy the one that say how they make change now. Port Harcourt for this Port Harcourt. I see person open mortuary right outside says boys wanted. You became misplaced priorities. And this time they very amazing. Port Harcourt courtesan has stand up for different churches all over. Where Port Harcourt and Port Harcourt on this Diop area. Okay, we are shocked for Diop. I enter motor for education for my one. Put my phone for pocket. Put earpiece for ear. The most annoying part are they listen to gospel song. Jesus, you love me too much, SS love. Person thief the phone, can't they sing the song for my ear?
Bros, this your sickness and not they work for me again, no. You know they work for me. This show when I call you go pay me, or else now me go really give you sickness. You must anything. What's happen? What out there? You out there, you. Out there, you. My papa they sick too now. What's all this? What's all this now? Christmas day, even the fried chicken, you will just blackmail person. And one person see another day they walk out small. But if you want to go ATM now, go collect money, your two leg the street. When you want go government house, you go be like saying a wheelchair, you take the go. When they don't give you the bag now, where when they front you, they put, oh, I'm wet now. Oh, I'm. You know they work for me again. No, make I tell you now. Now, me tomorrow morning reach me, you just can't use small voice talk to me. But so how you want to go back? I know they go anywhere.
Nigeria is the only poverty. Some people see this country is the only country where I've seen people live according to how they are and comfortable. If you are poor and comfortable. You are rich and comfortable. You are average and comfortable. You are sick and comfortable. Nobody want anybody. That's what this country be. They say poverty. Nigeria. Even if this country no straight like this country bend, all of us go bend, they move. Because nothing go Nigeria. Since I was born till today, nobody don't rule Nigeria will be better president. Even if they bring two Jesus to rule this country, no be better president. They say I believe that one, I'm a woman. They say go on, I believe that one, this one. I bet even if they bring the best, if they put some of us for government, say we don't know what we cause ourselves. I bet make I get out, I be idiot.
This Port Harcourt now, so yeah, things they happen for this Port Harcourt now. Now this Port Harcourt where agents go carry you go where they call Jesus Avenue to go find house. You can't ask for the landlord, they can't tell you saying go call to meeting. Now you can't ask the agent, say what is Jesus about this avenue now? And they tell you, Port Harcourt don't take another shape. And this Port Harcourt, you go day junction. They wait for car, may carry you. Person go come walk up to you, say, excuse me, please help me with urgent 2K. Please help me with urgent 2K. For this Port Harcourt. Things don't rugged though. This pandemic shows wahala. Now this pandemic where I know say so many things they different. Now this pandemic you go see person where they say two things when they concern each other. You go see person where they say wedding gun, they say zobo. Person where they say ugu, they say rat poison. You go ask them what's the combination? He say if the rat poison finish, you ask more ugu.
It is Buhari that kept us like this. My senior brother, that one said he will be a pharmacist. He's a farmer now. He's farming in half a lot of land. My dream, before God and man, I'm a microbiologist. Today I'm holding microphone. My younger sister, Dejo Mania Mimi, that one from childhood, what would you like to be? You go watch one program for TV, foreign program. So you read what's in the right. for South Africa, Cape Town. They asked him, what, sir? Senior man, good evening. I performed in Lagos 2 weeks ago. Somebody sprayed me 40,000. He did not injure me. Give Kurumaka 1,000 naira. Do you know he nearly wounded me now? Are you violent? You are giving me money and you are targeting my chain. This is not good. Here metal. Okay, you think I'm wearing chain. Here metal. No, don't reason I'm a senior. Iron, spinal cord. You go get problem. Oh. No, go there. Oh. 3 of them, I bought it in Garrison. 1, 2. It was 11. Now my manager said I removed the other ones. We have come to stay. The next thing why the target's are a tattoo. This year I will make you people proud. There's a there's a life I want to live. Chain have come. Next thing is tattoo. Malaysia will reach there. The only thing, for now, I never enter town. That's why it be like, say, I don't be Port Harcourt comedian. Where I'm staying, my destiny is hiding there. Obibo. Obibo go make you to buy white canvas. Go be like impossible dream in life. Okay, where you go? Where I'm going? From Keke to Okada, from Okada to Poto Poto.
Shout out to girls that like party. Every show I go, you must date, yeah. Every time I see you with artists, it's like you owe your own label. Do the X-rated for the paycheck. You get naked for the latest. For the